Hey everyone, I'm Jim from GrowTribe, and today I will show you how you can take your personal productivity to the next level. There is an increasing gap between people who get things done versus people who are constantly distracted and lagging behind. When learning something new at GrowTribe, we're always working with the following method. First we learn the mindset, then the process, then skills, and at last the tactics. So let's dive into the mindset. What are the best types of skills to learn? Do you still think it's programming? Actually not. Research done by 80,000 hours shows that learning how to learn and personal productivity are one of the smartest skills you should learn right now. Once you get into the right mindset, it's time to become aware of how you are currently doing. These tools will help you to visualize how you're spending your time. The first one is Rescue Time. This tool automatically tracks which applications or websites you use the most. The second tool, Toggle, is a super simple tool to track the time you're spending on specific tasks. Now we have the mindset and the data, let's have a look at the process for productivity. Key in productivity is to keep everything structured and prioritized, so you're always working on the right thing. For me, it works really well to make lists for everything. One of my favorite tools to create lists is Workflowy, a tool to make flat mind maps and expandable bullet lists. You can use it both on desktop and smartphone. For example, I'm structuring my week like this. I make a list for every day and prioritize it according to the Eisenhower matrix. You can find out more in the link below. As you can see, Workflowy is super expandable and adaptable. If you want to become a Workflowy expert, I can recommend this book by Frank Degenaar. It will tell you all ins and outs of Workflowy. Also, you can keep track of your time with Pomodoro or Be Focused for Mac. So you can get your list done in batches of 25 minutes by using the Pomodoro technique. Now we covered the process, let's get into more tools to boost your daily productivity skills. Are you currently copy and pasting all day? CopyClip saves me tons of time by making my clipboard history easily accessible on Mac. It keeps all of your latest clipboard items and makes them even searchable. Are you typing the same text snippets all over again? Text Expander makes it easy to use abbreviations so you can save time on typing repetitive text. Are you still manually resizing your windows on Mac? With Spectacle, that's not needed anymore. You can easily drag a window to a part of the screen and it will automatically resize for you. Do you want to record GIFs directly on your computer? GIFbox enables you to create a short screen recording and then automatically save it as a GIF. Maybe you already know this, but it might be a nice time saver. What if you want to go to the end of a line of a text? Are you holding your arrow key until you're there? With shortcuts like the Control and Option key on Mac, you can easily skip to the end of a line. If you combine this with the Shift key, you can also select a part of a text. If you want to take your shortcuts on Mac to the next level, best is to use Better Touch tool. With this tool, you're able to use shortcuts not only on your keyboard, but also on your trackpad. For example, if you keep 2 fingers on your trackpad, by lifting 1 finger, you will be able to switch tabs. Okay, some last tactics to close it off. You often use Facebook to look up things for work. By using the newsfeed eradicator, you can still use Facebook, but it will replace the newsfeed with some inspiring quotes all the time. If you're also using Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp, probably best is to use them in just one tool. Friends combines many messaging apps into one. Also Slack, Skype and Gmail are integrated. Talking about email, one of my favorite tools is Mixmax. It easily tracks your emails, helps scheduling meetings and enables viewers to view a PDF without opening it. One bonus, if you want to start to improve your productivity every day, best is to develop small habits that will lead to a big impact over time. Get a personal coach and unlimited messaging with a tool like Coach.me. For a small amount per week, a personal coach will keep you accountable to get things done. That's it for the video. Please share your favorite productivity tools in the comments below.